Hi. We're gonna look at the EcoFlow STREAM Ultra that I just purchased. So I just plugged it in, hooked it up, got everything, set it up for like maybe 2 days. Still trying to figure out the configuration and stuff. Yeah, it's working great. I'm not sure how much I've saved yet or what it's been, so let's see. So I do just have it plugged into the outlet, plugged into the wall, right there, and then 4 solar panels plugged in, right there. One right here, one right there, one right there, one right there. Still need to ground it and everything. But yeah, it's working great. All I have is just have like feeding back 50 watts because I don't know how much I'm actually using every hour yet. So I just have it feeding 50 watts. And then when my AC turns on, I have it feeding 800. So the max is 800 to the grid you're allowed to do. That's not even, that's a lot, but that's not enough. So yeah, I just have it running through over there and setting up to the solar panels. Let's go take a look at those. So yeah, here I just have it. I'll be having it lying down on the floor. It's just testing right now. So yeah, you don't even need, because I have 4 bifacial panels, 360. So I'm not really sure what the 3. I'm only pulling like right now 300 from them, maybe because I'm not getting any of the back, getting any solar. But yeah, this is the size that I could get. These are used solar panels, around $80 each, almost $300 or $400 for all 4. So yeah, so in about 1,500, and hopefully we'll see what the returns are. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys.